Piece of cake. Piece of cake means something is very easy to do. Let's look at some example sentences. The math homework was a piece of cake for her. Don't worry about the interview. It will be a piece of cake. Let's do an exercise to better remember the idiom. For the given sentence, replace a word or words with the idiom so that the meaning of the sentence is not changed. You have 5 seconds. Pause the video if you need more time. Learning to ride a bike took him only one afternoon. Learning to ride a bike was a piece of cake for him. Now it's your turn. Write a practice sentence in the comments. If this video helped you, like, share, and subscribe for more idioms like this. Thanks for watching.